Hey everyone, it's Bob from Bob's Computer Service. Welcome back to another Windows Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you how to empty the recycle bin on Windows 11. It's quick, it's easy, and it helps clean up your computer. Let's jump in. First, find the recycle bin on your desktop. It looks like a little trash can, and I have it in the upper left hand corner here. Double click to open it. Now you'll see that the files that you've deleted, they're still here. They don't permanently get deleted until you empty the recycle bin. To do that, you're just going to click Empty Recycle Bin. And I just have something that I created for this tutorial in the recycle bin. So I'm going to empty it. And it always double checks to make sure you really want to delete it, giving you one last chance to get it back before it's gone for good. I'm going to click Yes. And done. Your recycle bin is now empty and those files are gone for good. If you don't see the recycle bin icon on your desktop, here's how we bring it back. You're going to right click on the desktop and hit Personalize. And then you're going to go down to Themes. And then Desktop Icon Settings. And right here, you would, if it's not checked, you would check it. Since I already have it, I will be removing it from the desktop, and as you can see, it's gone. And we can put it back real quick. And we go to Desktop Icon Settings again, and we click Recycle Bin. And here it is back. So we're done. It's easy as that. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more Windows Wednesday tips. Got questions or need tech help? Drop a line in the comments or check our links in the description. Thanks for asking. Thanks for watching. See you next time.